Surprise, surprise, it's another video from the Hub where we show you the most interesting, funny, and wacky videos floating around the internet. Stay tuned to see what totally crazy and totally safe activity they do in Alaska. 3, 2, 1, go! What a miraculous piece of footage here. This is a deer that got trapped on a piece of floating ice in a giant river and waited miles and miles before finally being able to jump off to safety right here. Incredible. Talk about inspiring stories saving animals. This young man went out on a rope into a sand pit and saved a kangaroo from suffocating. Get me out of here. It is a seal that showed up on a beach chasing a fish and swam through a group of a bunch of people. Super dangerous and super cool. I'm not quite sure why people would take this boat tour, but yeah, I'm not interested. I hope these otters enjoy the time they have where they're approximately the same size as a baby tiger and can terrorize it. It won't last long. This is totally wild. I don't quite understand how it works, but this woman has created a musical instrumentation system that uses gloves to make sound. Listen.
Filtering the sound and kind of pitch bending it. And then stopping the arpeggiator and starting it again.
Pepperdine University graduation had a pretty interesting commencement speaker. It was this giant pelican that got a little personal with the audience. I've been waiting to see something like this for years, and I think we're finally there. This is a new innovation in hologram technology. Do you think we're going to start seeing more hologram stuff? So Alaska gets pretty cold for most of the year, and I imagine when you're stuck inside, you come up with some pretty crazy ideas for fun. This is an activity they do every year where hundreds of people turn out to watch empty vans and cars fly off of cliffs. Well, okay, Alaska. That's all for today's video. Big shout out to Brandon and Jacob for leaving us comments. Leave me a comment in the comment section below letting me know which video was your favorite today or anything else that's on your mind. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again very, very soon right back here on The Hub.